All right, today is the big day. Stancewars, PGP, we're out here. Happy birthday to Jose Hernandez. Even though it's a little late for the video, we're over here at PGP for his birthday. About to hit this go-karting action. Pretty much everyone pulled up in their whips except for me and the Euro Gang boy. Haha. Why did you pull up the whip?
It's nice and clean in the garage, and it's got the new lip on, so I don't want to drive it.
I brought my little brother with me to see if they have two-person carts. I'm pretty sure they don't, but if they do, he'll be riding with me, shotgun, with the camera in the car. But if they don't have them, he's gonna be outside recording on a bench like that one. Hey, let's get a happy birthday, Jose, on 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Jose!
All right, y'all, I'm about to clap everybody. I'm gonna beat him. When we're not even gonna be in. Well, I'm gonna pretend like you are. I'm gonna beat you. I'm definitely beating Brian. Where's Brian at? I'm beating Brian. This is easy, dub.
You got 5 on it?
I got 5 on it.
You got 5 on it?
5 on it.
You going 5?
5 bucks each? Yep. Let's put it up.
You going 5 in?
What the fuck? I'm gonna be sweaty.
Winner takes all?
I think like first, second, third. Well, we'll see how much we have, and then we'll do. Yeah, I think first, second, third.
Wait, everybody
third wins your money back. Third gets your $5 back.
It's an HIV.
Okay, take my money.
Oh yes.
Got some hoes.
Drop another 5.
What?
Who's missing?
Oh, get
Alright,
it.
so that's us 4.
No,
that's me. Oh, I got a 5.
Hey, Jose, let me face me.
I owe you 5, so. You don't want to bet?
No, I'm good, bro.
You good? What if you win, bro?
What if you win?
Yeah, what if you win?
Well, you put it. You're putting it in.
I'm not winning.
This nigga has cash lying in.
Wow.
You pay for 2 of them.
So, Jose, you should.
Can you put 5 in?
I grabbed my.
Huh?
Oh,
So
that's 40. That's 40.
All right, so if we have, boom, that's 5 for the third, 10 for second. How much is winner?
And then that's 20, 25.
I'm never letting go of that gas.
That's not bad.
That's not bad. That's good.
25 to win, $10 second place. Get your money back in third. Place, winning his money back, is Mario Martinez with an 89. Oh, where is it? 89.5. Get up there, Mario. Take your place. Aiden, give him his $5 back. There it is. Woo! All right, I got you.
Go ahead.
In second place, with an 87.7, we have Jose Hernandez.
Clap.
All right, Aiden, give him his $10. Doubled his money.
Just 10.
Woo! Just 10, Aiden. All right. And last but not least,
I'll do this.
in first place,
With a lap time of 84.86, Andre Un.
woo!
What do you got? 25?
He got $25.
$25.
Oh.
Ooh. The birthday punches.
Everybody going for that?
Last one.
I don't even know what they're at right now.
You should be doing that
16?
to Mario.
Hey, yeah, do my left arm. Oh!
Break.
One more.
Hey, dislocate his shoulder real quick. Ooh. All right, now we're gonna be on our way to our house, to my house, to regroup, get the R8, and head over to Bellevue for Stancewars. All right, guys, here we are at Stancewars. I just had to wait about half an hour in this long-ass line over here. It goes all the way back there, all the way around the bend, all the way to the street. And frankly, I'm not really about it. We've been having these little standoffs where we just sit here for like 15 minutes. We move like a single car and then we're done. But, I mean, I guess it's what you gotta do.
Hi.
Going.
Super VIP.
Super VIP.
We were wondering about your car, your top 100 or not.
Oh no.
You didn't apply? You didn't want to apply?
No, I gotta leave early. I'm going camping. So.
Your car's beautiful.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah, your color's stunning.
Your car is sexy as fuck, dude.
Thank you, dude.
I saw that shit. I'm like, oh fuck, man. Dude, this is dope. I am not gonna lie.
What's your name?
Jacob.
Jacob. Andre. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, bud.
Thanks.
All right, man. What are you selected?
Just VIP.
VIP.
Yeah.
All right, VIP's down here. There's no more VIP parking up top, so
Okay.
feel free to find a spot down here. All right.
Perfect. Sounds good.
Thanks, boss.
Thanks. We get a wristband, Stancewars 2-day wristband. What else we got? We get a I am VIP lanyard. I'm not really sure I want to wear this, but they gave it to us. I'll take the lanyard for sure. I don't know about this little badge. Let's get out of here and start seeing what kind of cars we can see. Yo, the line to get into Stancewars is absolutely insane. Just to buy tickets. This is the main street, which you guys just saw. It goes all the way down to the main roundabout down there. What's going on, PCM fam?
What up, YouTube?
All right, guys.
What up, YouTube?
We going up to the top, see the top 100? Probably. Where are we going?
Go to my car right real quick. And then we go. Yeah.
Let's run. Jump in this one.
Oh, okay. We're going on this one. No, we're going on this one.
It's not going up.
Oh, it's not going up? You guys going up?
Yeah.
Go.
We're up to the top.
Oh, we'll stop at 3. All right, who's got the gun?
PCM boys. Is that what it was? Hey, let me toss it to you real quick. Dang, I toss it to you again. What?
We don't do that out here.
All right, I'm gonna edit you in there. Look, I'm gonna toss to him. I'm gonna get. Boom, he hit it. All right. He hitting the woe out here. So it's about 6:30 right now, and I'm supposed to be going camping, but I don't think I'm getting out here anytime soon. We got crowds of people next to the car. Put your foot on the brake.
On the brake? This
And
one?
then, yep, and then just turn it once.
Turn this.
Yep.
Wait.
Turn the key. Yep.
Put my foot
Yep,
on the
just
brake.
turn it once.
Turn, which way?
And then just let it go. Yep.
Turn it which way?
To like this way. Like that.
Okay.
And then just let it go. Yep. Yep. You want to rev it up? Give it a little rev. Oh, that's the brake. Give it gas.
Thanks for letting me do that.
Yeah, no problem, dude. I got this one free live printed T-shirt. I wonder if we can get Andre on this.
We'll see.
I didn't get in the selected group, so it's all him at this point.
We didn't get in. We just finessed.
We finessed.
Nah, I'll go this one.
Okay.
We got your large.
You want the wheels?
Yeah. Can you like add stuff to it or not? Like add names to it or not?
Just like
Oh,
that.
just
The
like- okay.
screen's already pre-made.
Flip it around for the gang.
Huh?
That's the front. Let's see the back. Okay. Show us the downgraded.
front?
Okay. You could have picked that, or you could have.
I'm dead. Good look.
I'm glad you didn't pick the other one. Look, we're getting a little police escort. Oh, look at this. Love the car. I got this from Cats as well.
Is that a wrap?
It's a wrap, yeah.
Looks nice.
Thank you. Look at that. All right, that's gonna be it for our Stancewars meet. There was tons of crazy cars out here, tons of crazy builds. I was mainly interested in the exotics portion of it, but there was a couple really clean S2000s, Evo, Subarus that I didn't put in the video because I'm sure a lot of the coverage of those cars will be on other pages, other YouTube channels. Click around, watch all the Stancewars videos because these cars are crazy. Smash that subscribe button, hit the like button because I'm going to be in Cali next weekend and that's going to be crazy. So we'll catch you guys on the next video. That's for this one.